Hi guys, I'm here in the Smoky Mountains National Park. I finally made it to the park. I left the truck stop this morning. I've been uploading a lot of pictures and a lot of video and stuff to the cloud. Been uploading about 2 videos to YouTube a day because I'm kind of behind on getting them uploaded. Anyway, I just did another video. I pulled out, right, like I said, I'm in the park and I pulled over to let another vehicle pass that was going a little faster than me. That's my only complaint about this car. It doesn't have a lot of power, but my Tauruses didn't really have much either. My Focus did pretty well, but this is only a 4-cylinder, 6-speed transmission, so it's just not going to go really fast. It does what it needs to do, gets me where I need to go, but sometimes I have to, if I can, I'll pull out, you know, and let another car pass me that's going faster. Anyway, I just did another video. I was sitting here, I pulled in here to let another car pass, like I said, and I did another video, and I realized the filter I used was not very good. It was very blurry. There's a smooth filter, and I don't use that. I don't like it because it's blurry. So I switched over to this filter because I want one that's clear. Anyway, it's not as pretty in here. I got started late. It's already after 4 o'clock. Took me forever to get through Pigeon Forge. Pigeon Forge is so crowded. So it's just, you know, you got to start early. You got to start really early. Sometimes I've been through here before, and sometimes I start on the Cherokee Maggie Valley side, and sometimes I start on this side. Since I was in White Pine, I decided to start on this side. It's not quite as pretty as other times I've been here. It's just not. But regardless, I'm going to get out and take a few pictures, and I might do a bit of video. It's, like I said, not as pretty as it usually is. There have been other times, maybe it was later in the year, earlier in the year. I don't remember. I know one time I think I came through and it was kind of cold, and I got some really phenomenal photos. Just, you know, there's no clouds today at all, and I love it when there's you know, the blue sky against really stark white clouds and trees. Anyway, I'm going to get out and take a few pictures and maybe a bit of video, and then head on down the park, through the park. I've done this before, and sometimes I start on the Maggie Valley Cherokee side, sometimes on the Pigeon Forge side. I have not decided whether I'm going to go halfway and then turn around and go back to Pigeon Forge, or just drive it all the way out and end up in Cherokee, Maggie Valley, and then end up in Waynesville, North Carolina tonight. I haven't decided. Anyway, I'm going to get out now, take a few pictures, do a little video, a bit, and then be on my way. And I'll be back with you guys a little bit later. Okay, guys, I'm right here at the Overlook, or it's not really an overlook, it's just a pull out for cars to pull over to let faster cars pass. But I thought I'd do a little bit of video right here. Like I said in the first video, it is not as pretty as it has been in the past, but still beautiful. I hear water down there. It's kind of loud out here. I hear water out there. Ooh, don't want my car in there. Anyway, I hear the river running down there. Okay guys, I finally found the river. I was going to try to walk down the little pathway, but it's a little steep. It's absolutely a little steep for me with my ankle. zoom in here for you guys. Yeah. Beautiful. A little cool again today, though. At least up here in the park. Guys, down here, this one little spot that was so pretty. Well, I can't. Okay, guys, I walked out here to another little section, found up in the grass, and found this. Okay, guys, I'm out here at another overlook. Okay, guys, I pulled out here at this little overlook to take some pictures, do a little video. There's quite a few people here. There's a one-lane road, I guess, up ahead. So the traffic's kind of backing up, and now I'm kind of stuck. Anyway, at least for a little bit. So I thought I'd just do this real quick, short intro to this video. Like I said before, it's not as pretty as it was before. It's not near as pretty, near as nice. But it's not bad. It's okay. Anyway, The next little slideshow is just one lonesome little yellow flower. That's all I took because I couldn't get close-up pictures or close enough. I zoomed all the way out 10 times, as much as my phone will allow, and I wasn't able to do any more than that. So I won't. Next slideshow is only one little lonesome yellow flower. Anyway, I'll be back with you guys later. Okay guys, since the line is backed up, and it's way backed up now, I decided to get out and take some more pictures. So next is another little slideshow. I zoomed in, got a little bit better tree and cloud pictures. Hopefully the line will start moving a little bit faster. I see they're coming through on the other side, so hopefully it won't be too long and I can get, I can get moving. Anyway, I'll be back with you guys a little bit later. Okay guys, I finally found a really pretty overlook or pretty pullout. I actually overshot it and had to walk down, not walk, I actually overshot it, had to park down the way a little bit and then walk back up here to get my pictures and get my video. Zoom in so you guys can see. I've also got some pictures that I've taken as well, so that's going to be nice. I finally found a little place with that layering trees and beautiful blue clouds and stuff that photographs that I really wanted. Yeah, very beautiful out here. And right down here was a walking trail. Not much of a walking trail, it's a hiking trail. And I was going to hike down it. Let me get up here where you can see there's a few little steps down there. As you can see the little steps down there, and then the trail. I was gonna hike down it, and I did a little ways, but it's a little too steep. With my knee and my ankle being as bad as it is, I decided that that's probably not a good idea. So now I'm going to head back to my car and go toward Cherokee. It says it's 20 miles to Cherokee. Oh gosh guys, here's another little vantage point. I decided to do another little video. I'm going to take a few pictures right here. This is, oh yeah, it's gorgeous. It's about 5 o'clock. Okay guys, here's the first overlook that I stopped at, or parking area rather. And I got out and took some pictures. Didn't take any video. Then I walked the 500 feet back there to the walking trail that I showed you, and I decided not to hike it. Anyway, and I took some more pictures, which I will follow up with more video. Anyway, I'll be back in just a bit. Hi, my phone froze up as I was trying to do this video and had to restart my phone. Anyway, this next video is of some purple flowers and what I call yellow flowers, but those yellow flowers are actually dandelions. And dandelions can act, most people call them weeds, but my dad didn't think of them that way, and I don't really think of them that way either. They're very pretty. I like to photograph them. A lot of people don't like them in their lawns though, and you can also make tea out of dandelions. Anyway, and then there's some other, I'm not sure what it is, if it's a weed or a flower. I'm not really sure what it is, but it's just nature. So I took some, whatever it is, flower, whitish colored, whatever it is. I took pictures of that too. Here are some more Overlook pictures. Here's a video of the first overlook that I stopped at, where I'm parked right now. And then I'm going to take off on down the parkway, and I think Cherokee is about 20 miles away. Just didn't drive, but just a little bit, maybe not even a few feet down the road, and here I found this overlook. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is absolutely phenomenal. And I finally got some good pictures. The earlier ones, not so good. Let's see if you guys can see that little hump right there. Yes, that's gorgeous. And this is the vantage point from across the street. I hear a car coming though. At least I think I hear a car coming. Either way, I don't want the car in my video. It's not my... Zoom back out a little bit. Yes, this is... Oh yeah. It's getting cold out here though. It's a little bit cold. I'm now in Maggie Valley, and I need to find a bathroom. I stopped here at the Wheels Through Time Museum. They're closed because it's nearly 7 o'clock, but they had an old fire truck outside, so I snapped some photos of it. It's starting to rain again. I swear that's all it does. Anyway, I went through Cherokee. Cherokee just felt weird. It just felt dead. There's just nobody there in Cherokee, really. The last time I went through Cherokee, it wasn't quite as much, maybe, but it felt kind of, you know, dead. But it was rainy. It was rainy that day too, but it was more rainy. It's just a little, tiny little sprinkly right now. Anyway, the next video or next slideshow is going to be of the Wheels Through Time, old Wheels Through Time fire truck. I'll be back with you guys a little bit later. Okay guys, I'm down here in Maggie Valley. I stopped here to take a picture of this old truck here, and there's the people out here have a bunch of flowers and everything out here. Anyway, I walk around the edge of the truck to take a picture of the side, and I see these two dummies out here, these little dummies they got all set up out here. You can see them pretty good. And I swear to God, they scared the crap out of me. I thought there were two people sitting in this truck, and I don't know why. I should have known better, but that's crazy. And here's the other old dude. As you can see, she's got a lot of, these are all artificial flowers up here on the back of the truck. But down here in these pots, he or she's got a bunch of regular growing flowers. I'm still in Maggie Valley. I just stopped in the Shell station and went to the bathroom. I'm about ready to hit 276 and head to Waynesville, and I'm going to head up to Food Lion. I might get myself a chicken salad sandwich tonight. Last night I got a sandwich, sub sandwich out of a Weigel's, and it was actually pretty good. It was like turkey and cheese or something. It was actually really, really good. Anyway, I'm going to go to Food Lion, and I'm going to check their chicken salad out. I've had it before, liked it pretty good, but I ate a little bit too much, and I ended up maybe getting a little, not feeling too good afterwards, getting upset stomach. So hopefully that won't happen this time. I also have some tortilla chips, so I might look at the salsa as well. There's a couple things I'm going to look at. I was going to go to Walmart, and I wanted to go to Walmart last night. I wanted to go to Walmart tonight, but I'm just not feeling it tonight again either. Last night it was too late. Tonight I'm just not really feeling it. I want to pick some muffins up and maybe some plain Greek yogurt. Anyway, so I'm going to check out the chicken salad and maybe the salsa and choose one of those things, not both, just one. And maybe look at the potato chips. They've got pretty good potato chips and are pretty cheap. Anyway, the next videos, there's going to be like maybe 2 or 3 of them, maybe 4 of them, and they're all flowers, and they were all taken right around the old truck here in Maggie Valley. Here are some purple flowers and more yellow flowers and some plants. Here's the back of the truck and some miscellaneous items and miscellaneous videos. Here's the bear and the outhouse. Okay, I just had to get a few more nature pictures. It's not quite dark yet. Anyway, it's not quite dark, but I'm not going to take any more. Next will be just a few of the nature pictures that are slideshows of the nature pictures that I just snapped. Next up is an old truck and an old Mustang from like the 1970s or something that I snapped in Waynesville. I overshot my destination. I was headed to Food Lion and Paragon Parkway, and I overshot it somehow. Passed by the old truck, so I pulled into a collision shop, and because that's where, well, that's not where the truck was at. It was in front, down underneath, or in front of the collision shop. But the Mustang was there at the there was like two businesses, I think, like a collision shop and something called Recoup Motors or something like that. So I snapped the picture of the truck and then snapped a picture of the Mustang. I'm here at the Food Lion in Waynesville, North Carolina. I'm going to go in and see if they have my chicken salad sandwich. If they do, I'll get it. If not, I might look at the salsa. If I don't see anything there I want, then I might just make myself an almond butter and jelly sandwich tonight and get a bag of plain potato chips. Anyway, I'm tired. I didn't sleep long enough last night. I didn't go to sleep until like 4 or 5, or about 4 in the morning. I was trying to wrap up the second video. I think I fell asleep or started to fall asleep, and then I woke up and I wanted to finish the second video. Turns out I didn't even watch but one episode of TV last night, since my hotspot is virtually gone. I've been watching TV on YouTube, and last night I watched, and the night before as well, I watched Hunter. And the night before I watched like Hunter and Beyond Belief, and I think the night before that, Monster Quest and something about Sasquatch. I have not finished that one. But I only watched like one episode of Hunter last night, and then I was going to watch another show called Silk Stockings that's on Film Rise. Anyway, I didn't. I was tired. I wanted to finish up my video, so I finished the first video, and then I decided to do a second video, and then I started to fall asleep, but woke up, and I just really wanted to finish the video, so I did that, and I didn't go to sleep I didn't go to sleep soon enough. So now tonight I'm really tired. I'm really tired, and I didn't get to the truck stop last night until kind of late. It was probably close to 12. It's earlier tonight. It's definitely earlier. It is not even dark yet, so that's a good thing. It's only like 8 going on 8:30. So I'm here at the Food Lion, and I'm gonna go try to find me something to eat in there. Ever since I left the Smoky Mountains National Park, I have felt, when I got into Cherokee, I have felt weird. I'm not sure why. I've felt a little disconnected, and that's weird. I don't usually feel that way, but I felt, I don't know, not sad maybe, a little bit of sadness, but not really, it was kind of maybe a slight sadness, a low-level sadness, if that makes sense. I arrived in Cherokee, and as I think I said this earlier in this video, it was just like it was dead. It was like there was nobody there, and it just felt weird. It felt creepy weird, which is really, I don't know how to describe it. It just a really odd, feeling, and just a really odd, creepy feeling. That said, though, I did find some things to take pictures of. I found the old truck. I found it had a bunch of flowers. I think I found the old fire truck. I found another old the old fire truck, another old truck, the flowers, and some other stuff to take pictures of. And then and then of course I hit 276 and headed towards the truck stop, and then decided, but I was coming to Food Lion anyway, so I'm headed, I'm down here in Waynesville now, and I stopped. I went off one road. I actually drove down it here a few days ago, but I'd forgotten about it anyway, and I wanted to get just a few more pictures, just a few more, just squeak out just a few more pictures for the night. So I did that. Anyway, I still, when I'm getting ready to finish this video up and, pull it together, and I might snap a few more photos, just for photos, not for this video, just a few more photos, maybe, because the sky is like a dark blue now. It's getting really pretty, so I might snap a few more photos. Anyway, I'm almost at my limit on how many videos I can pull together. I think I have like 54 or 55 videos. So I'm at my limit because my phone only allows me 60. So I can't really add any more videos even if I wanted to. And I'm not going to. Not in this video. Anyway, like I said, I'm here at Food Lion. I'm going to run into Food Lion in just a minute. Look for a sandwich. Look for... If they don't have that, look for the salsa. Before I do that, I think I'll take a little walk. I do kind of need to walk a little bit. It is kind of cold tonight again. I started out this morning. It was warm. It wasn't that bad. It was pretty warm. Sun was out. And then as the day went on, it got cooler. Actually, I think it's cooler in North Carolina than it is in Tennessee, which is kind of weird. But anyway, it's kind of cold tonight, a little cold to me. That said, that said, I'm going to go in Food Lion. I also need to put my comforter on my seat, get ready for the night, and then head up to the truck stop, eat, watch probably some more Hunter, maybe watch a little TV. Hopefully this weird feeling that's a little creepy, it's kind of still here. It's not bad, but it's there. I can feel it. It's sort of low level. I know I probably sound like some kind of a nut, but I don't know how else to describe it. Anyway, hopefully that will kind of cease as well. Anyway, I'm going to probably walk a little bit, and then I'm going to go in the store. So I'm going to wrap this video up for tonight. Hope everyone has a good night, a good day. God bless, and peace.